Hey guys, this is Bess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing is something that I got from Kickstarter. And I think Tappy Tunes is the ones who they ran it. And the story is in here. And I want to unbox it and then show you guys. It's been a while that I went ahead, I did the Kickstarter and they just sent it out. It was sent out from Korea, so it took a while to get here. And I was waiting, and I didn't think it's gonna be this thick. So after feeling a whole bunch, I guess we should just jump into it. Let's see. I got my trusty dusty utility knife. So yeah, let's go ahead and go at this. I don't think I need my utility knife because I seems to have this like tabby thing right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and just look at this. What? Boom, and it's open and you slide that bad boy out and there we go. So the story that I am going to tell you is about Blood Sweet, and it's all bubble wrap, so that means they didn't want the edges to get creased or anything like that, which is awesome because, you know, some people are crazy about that stuff. You mess with their products, they get crazy. But yeah, I think that was a nice little touch to have the bubble wrap over it. I do this with my own comics. It just keeps everything nice and neat so that when the person opens it, they open it as if it came freshly out the printer. So I'm opening it up. It's making a lot of noise, you know. Everybody likes that bubble wrap noise, right? Boom! It's out. So another cool thing about it is it has this plastic thing on it. I didn't think it was gonna be so professionally like stringy wrap and all that. You know, there are some books that just come and they're bubbled wrapped around, or they're cardboard wrapped or wrapped with some type of paper, and you know, that's it. But this one is like it has everything shrinky wrapped and everything. I feel that the reason for this is because it might come out in bookstores like Barnes and Nobles and stuff like that. The reason how I stumbled upon this was I was on Kickstarter looking up comic books, because you know I do my Kickstarter and I honestly love looking at other people's work, especially indie comics and people who's trying to get their stuff out there, because I'm just one of those people, you know. It's just me. I'm just one of those ones that, you know, I believe that if you want people to, you know, succeed, you can help support, you know. So I'm over here trying to open this plastic because the plastic is what's giving me the problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I was all out of order, but yes, this plastic is giving me a problem. And being that I don't have nails, I have nubbies because of my habit of biting my nails and cutting my nails. It's hard, but I got this open. So yeah, me and my supportaholic self on Kickstarter went ahead and got this bad boy. It's by Narali. If I'm gonna say Narali, that's her name or his name. I don't know. I'm not gonna make assumptions. So yeah, this story I've been reading on Tappy Tune. I didn't know they had a Kickstarter. Went ahead. I was looking on Kickstarter. Saw it. I was looking at it. Then I read it and I liked it. And the reason why I liked it is because it starts off with this girl. Honestly speaking, it's been a while, so I will have to look up her name, but she is always getting bullied. Like, she's get bullied all the time, and the reason why is because she's a witch. And it's not because she's a witch, she's part of a witch family. So everybody knows that in her class, and they just go at her. And she's like, why is people going after me like this? I don't want to be a witch. You know, this is what my mom chose. And, you know, what things get out of hand, you know, with that, and she gets bullied. So they decide to go on a trip, and she goes on the trip, and she, you know, she's getting bullied there, and they decide, like the bullies decide, hey, let's go to the forest and go to the haunted house thing there. So they all go, and they push her in this room, and there's like a closet, and they push her into the closet, and it looks like a dead guy falls on her, and it turns out to be this guy. Wait, this guy turns out to be him, and she, being that she fell and stuff, and the bullying and all that, she had open wound, and he licked her open wound, and they got connected somehow. So if you want to read more of this story, I'm gonna leave links and stuff down below. It's a really good read. Honestly speaking, I didn't think the book was gonna come out this thick. I'm gonna also leave this, if they have a store open, because I'm not too sure. I will be linking that down too. This is a really thick book, like really thick. It has a lot of chapters in it. The art is very beautiful in it. It is very wordy, but again, the imagery, the way I say things, right? It's very beautiful, and you know, it's just something to dive into. Like, this is something that you can read and enjoy. This takes hours of reading, you know, I have to admit, because I was reading it online, and it really, for me to read something online and be stuck for hours, you know, that's just something that it's just like, I don't know, there's something mythical about it, you know. It put me in a trance. So yeah, stuff happens in here, and I think that this is a really good read. The book is in great quality. It has this nice little flappy thing here. I didn't think they were going to do all this, honestly speaking. I thought it was going to be a lot more thinner, and I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking in my brain. Maybe because I make longer comics, I thought, oh, it might be a little bit more thinner, but no, it's actually very thick, and it just gives you that manga feel, and I like it a lot. Another thing that they had in the Kickstarter was they had an extra story in it. So that's another cool thing. I think that's only for the Kickstarter people, but it has like a gender bender part to it. So that's going to be interesting to read. But yeah, guys, if you like stuff with love in it, like my guilty pleasures is reading love stories. So if you into that type of stuff, or your girl, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and pick up this book. This book is amazing. I think that, you know, it's a really good read. The imagery is very beautiful. And it gives like a nice story. It gives you a nice lesson in it. That's what I like about it too. So yeah, guys, if you like that, hit the like. If you want to go ahead and comment about it, if you read it, leave me a comment down below. Again, guys, you know, we tried to do this unboxing thing. I didn't think that 2 love stories would show up. But that's awesome. The month of love, right? Yes, guys. So if you like it, hit this like. Hit the like. Not dislike. The like. And if you're new here, you're like, Bess, I like the way you do things, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become one of our family members. Become a pulse and enjoy us. I do everything art related, and I also review comics and stuff. I did a little review there, so yeah. Again, guys, I stream Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you there to have fun with us. We have fun, yo. Come down. Come down and have fun with us. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.